school. The hardest part for all of us. But then, we're still lucky to be part of the existence of this prestigious school. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all my teachers since my first years who keep on molding us to be what we are now. Thank you for all the untiring support, for believing in our talents and skills, for giving us wonderful advices, and for all the joyful memories that can never be forgotten. These past 4 years have presented us with a lot of ups and downs, and it is good to know that we have our families in our corner, supporting us along the way. To my mama, thank you for all the hardships we gone through, and for all the love and care you showed us over the past years. I know that saying a thank you is still not enough to express how much you mean to us. You're always there, making us more stronger to face the reality of life. Ma, whatever happens, we're still here for you. At hindi ako mag-asawang sabihin sa'yo na mahal ka namin. And sorry for all the mistakes that I've done. But then, no words can describe how thankful I am that you are my mother. To my father, I don't have any word to say, but just a simple thank you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful life. Without you, I'm nothing. To my dear Tita Myrna, this is my chance to say thank you. Thank you for being a second mom to me and to my sister and to my brother. Thank you for guiding us and being a good advisor. I can always say this, but I know in my heart you're special. Thank you and I love you, Tita. To my elder sister and younger brother, thank you for being one of my inspirations and such a precious gift from above. And my sincere apology for all the things that I've done wrong. I would also like to grab this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you to all my classmates since my first year. With you guys, my high school years became so much fun. To Team Hearts, TDPL or Tropang Kahilig Pag May Libre, Barneys, Wigig Gamia, Janice Jan, IIG Group, Critical Wheels, and all the 4-1 company. Thank you for all the memories we've shared. I can really forget all the times that I'm with you guys. Lalo-lalo na siguro, sa mga oras na sama-sama tayo gumagawa ng kalokohan, nag-iiyakan, nagtatawanan, nagsisigawan at nagbabali-baliwan. Even though marami yung kasaming teachers that we are the noisiest section, at least, nakabuo tayo ng samahang walang iwanan. And finally, we will be thankful to each other. The friendship that we have with you will last a lifetime, and in the same way, we have helped each other too. In so many ways, we have these 4 years here and other ways of cities years at Column National High School. I hope we will continue to be there and support each other in the future and more. Most of all, I would like to thank our Almighty Father for giving me strength to face these challenges in life, and giving me such wonderful life and loving people who keep on supporting me along the way. My greatest thank you to you, God. Today, as we go our separate ways, let's not forget that we have